So Bitcoin is stuck at around 26K, 25K. Why is that happening? Well, I'd say the biggest reason is the US dollar. It's holding things back. If you compare the charts of the US dollar and Bitcoin, you see how they look very similar. So when everyone is buying US dollar, the DXY goes up and Bitcoin prices go down, and vice versa. So just for reference, 105 is usually the average strength for the US dollar. Anything below 100 is really poor, and above 105 is when it's really strong. So right now we're at 105 and Bitcoin's price is at 25K. If we look further back in March, same thing, 105, Bitcoin 25K. Now if we look even further back, you see when the DXY popped off, it was at its strongest, 112. Notice the date, October 2022. That was when FTX collapsed and Bitcoin plunged to 15K, super low. Now obviously there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes that affect the US dollar as well as Bitcoin, but the prevailing theory is that when the economy in the world is not looking so good, when there's fear, uncertainty, and doubt in any investment market, investors would just buy the US dollar. And it makes sense, right? If your country's economy is not looking so good, you'd rather hold on to cash than having it in any sort of investment, right? Because that's going down anyways. But overall, there is a very strong correlation between Bitcoin and the US dollar.